When designing a website, sometimes you might insert content and images that might cause your website to load slowly on devices like a mobile phone or tablet. This can sometimes affect your search engine ranking. As a site owner, you can control what content is displayed on different devices. To control the display, mouse over your widget, select the down arrow, and select Settings. Then, select the responsive properties. On this tab, you can select what devices your widget will display on. By default, it's visible on all devices. To hide a widget on certain devices, like mobile phone or tablet, simply change the setting to Hidden. Finally, click OK to accept the change. And don't forget to save and publish your changes live.